Right, so this is Lauren. We're busy taking off the roof and she's caught in the back there. Don't worry, baby, I'm on my way. I'm going to come save you now. See?
Everything's collapsing. We didn't take note of the aircon that was actually attached to the one part of the roof.
But we managed to get it off. Now we just need a few little things here, and then we can take the whole bloody roof off.
But I'm stuck with the roof on me.
Hi everyone, this is day 2 of our renovation for the van. We are busy here cleaning up. We've managed to do quite a bit of damage. We clean up the back, take the boards off, take the top off, some fixing that we need to do. Yes, we have managed to get the aircon back up again, which is a big bonus. That's definitely a big bonus. So yes, we just thought we'll keep you guys up to date with what's happening here. Yeah, as you can see, there's the back. Nice and clean. We're busy cleaning up there now. The car will be going in for a rust repair and a respray. So we'll let you know the outcome of that and what color we choose the van to be. Yeah.
The roof has come out, which actually makes the van a bit taller. But where the rust is at the top, we're going to raise that section a bit.
Yes.
So it's just that's where the kitchen area is going to be, so be comfortable standing.
Yeah, definitely. We'll keep you lot up to date. Bye. Hi everybody, this is day 3 of the build. It is the 12th or 13th
of
June. Not
Sunday.
January.
And
yes, we are continuing with our build here. We'd like to show you where we are at this point in time, and we shall continue with ripping this poor van to pieces. But we found a couple of things that we're going to have to replace and repair.
Quite a lot of water damage.
Yes, so all those will be happening as soon as we've got the van cleared out at the back and nicely in front. It will go in for panel beaters for repairs and spray jobs and things like that.
Rust.
We've also decided we're going to do a custom decals on the side. We'll get someone to do some beautiful custom decals for us. She's pretty good at those type of things. And we've actually decided on a name for our vehicle.
Rusty.
Rusty. This will be Rusty, and she will henceforth be known as Rusty. Alright, so just to put you in the light, I shall give the camera to Lauren. Let her just take you through a few things while I'm busy with something else.
Okay, so yesterday we spent the day, and what we did is we took out this back panel that went from the van to the front seats of the drivers. We took it out so that we can put a section, basically take this part of the seat out so that we can actually go in and out from the driver's side to the back. With doing that as well, we've got this bottom section that we've decided to put our batteries for the solar in there. Today we ripped out the flooring, just the ground piece, the rubberizing, because we saw that there was wood underneath. And we thought, well, we could put vinyl on top of that wood. But as we took the rubberizing off, we actually noticed that the wood is absolutely damaged by water, from the water.
Yeah, we definitely do that too, because it's getting rid of damage.
Okay. There's a lot of cleaning up to do. These panels at the top. It's only
yeah, it's a lot to rip out here.
Yeah. This is only like a glue, which stuck. They had carpets that they lined around here. So we're just going to clean that up. And yeah, there's a hell of a lot of work. And this van is very dirty. Very, very dirty. I've started ripping out the, what do you call this? The sunscreen protectors, visors. I've taken that out so we can actually rip out this roof and make this nice and fresh.
Yes, we're actually thinking of maybe putting a storage space there.
Yes.
So we can put some
Computers
suitcases or whatever we need to put in there. We can put in there. It's quite a lot of space as well if we bring it down to sort of this level. You can actually have a nice little space there. But yes, we shall definitely keep you guys up to date. We will continue ripping this rusty to pieces. And then, yes, yeah, let's hope everything goes well. All right, everybody.
Have a fantastic day.
Have a fantastic day. And we shall speak to you soon. Rusty out. And welcome, everyone. This is day 4 of our van rebuild, and I'll get our Rusty back to working condition. At the moment, you can see here, Lauren is busy with the roof. We've got some rust to clean up. We'll be cleaning that up and relaying it and putting new panels on there, and then closing it up properly. The vehicle will also be getting it seems like we've decided on a color of a wrap as well. So it's going to be nice once all this is done and the wrapping is done. So we'll definitely keep you everybody posted and up to date. But yes, hopefully we can have this done by sort of end of next weekend. And yeah, all good.
So what's actually happened here was that it obviously is rust problems, and the people actually didn't fix it properly. They just took a type of silicone and put it on top and sealed it. So I'm actually grinding out the silicone now, and yeah, it's quite disastrous. And you can actually now see the holes in the roof where it wasn't touched up properly.
Yeah, it's quite bad really.
Yeah.
But it's okay. It'll all get fixed up. It's gonna look awesome once it's done. Oh, what's that? It's more. It actually looks like cement.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Pre-made, didn't do the job properly situation.
So yes, we will be doing this properly and making sure that we have a nice solid roof with no leaks. So when we sleep there at night, because that'll be above our heads, that we don't get rain and water on our heads.
Splashing ourselves.
Yes. We've also managed to put in a mobilizer in the car.
Yes.
Lauren's very happy about that. There's a secret button that will now officially start the car, so which is pretty cool. Yes, all works out nicely. So far, so good. We'll keep you guys posted. Have an awesome one.
Cheers for now.
Hi everyone, this is the day 3 of the build. Sunday, I think it's the 12th, 13th, around
13th of January. Okay, go back.
there. Not January,
No,
June.
take it off. Take it off.